This video we will show how to fix a missing ring guide or a broken ring guide from a fishing rod. For this purpose we have to take out the paper wrapping tape, and with the help of this we will put the ring guide on the straight on the rod. After this, once it hold the guide, we take out the thread and we will tie around to the rods. We tie it slowly. We should not put force, so we have to tie with the same color thread. And once we tying it, we have to put a fluorocarbon line like this way, so this will help us to making a perfect knot in the end. So once we tie around all the thread around, we can take out the wrapping tape, the paper tape we take out once we tie with the thread the ring guide. Slowly take out the paper tape because the ring guide is not fixed, we just tying it, so we have to take care it should be straight. Once we finish the tying, we have to make a knot. For this purpose we put this line in the fluorocarbon line. Once we insert inside, and we pull the line inside with the help of the braided line. So once we do like this way, it's become a strong knot, so the line will not come out, and the excess line there we can cut with the help of scissor. And still, if it's showing the hairy kind, we have to burn with the help of a lighter. So you need to be very careful. Slowly, don't burn the line, only this small excess one come out. So now it's become like this. So after this we have to put on the tying the rolling machine. So here we have to apply epoxy. I am using 8-hour epoxy, which is more professional one. You can here they can use like 5-minute epoxy as well, which you don't need machine. You can roll with the hand for like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. After it will be okay. But if you are using these kinds of epoxy, what I'm using here, this epoxy will take, this resins will take too much time, like at least 8 hours to dry, so 8 to 10 hours to dry. So that's why we mix it here well. These two epoxies you have to put the same quantity in a container. You have to use a clean container. Here I am using a small container which is clean. So same amount of resins you put together and mix them well. Here I mix these ones like for 5 to 6 minutes, but I cut the videos, it will be not more lengthy. So once the mixing is done, you have to apply this on the where we tie on the guide, on the line, on the thread. So in such case, once we apply the epoxy, it will cover it and the line will not come out. So you have to apply it well, and don't miss any place. All the line what you put, you have to make it cover, and then put it for 8 hours. This already 8 hours. After 8 hours I take it out and it's done. It will become like this now. Thank you for watching.